Hi, my name's Linda, and we're here at San Jacinto College. We're going to do a few crafts with you today. Today we have two crafts because this one is so simple. You'll think, why didn't I think of that? But it is so simple. It is a picture frame, and then see there, you can hang it right there. There's a little hole, and a gift bag. Here's the, oh, that's the wrong side of the gift bag. Here's the gift bag. But you're going to cut out the main picture right here. And you know, we all love the little red truck. So all these things, again, are from the Dollar Tree. And I got a little red truck bag because we all love the Dollar Tree. I cut it out. I used this piece of cardboard right here to measure how big I needed to make the cut. So put this side there. And I also bought some window clings. They just stick on without any glue or anything like that. They just have a sticky back. And then a little foofy thing. So here we go, we've cut it out. And we're gonna place it in the frame. And it doesn't have to be perfect, because nobody's going to go and inspect your frame, I'd hope. And then you can just hang it up. Sometimes I use these frames for wreaths. I try to put little wreaths on. So here you go. Here's the hole there, so you can hang it up. But we're not finished because we need to embellish this. Nothing is good without embellishment. So I found this little red truck window cling, and it says Christmas trees. So I'm just gonna put it up here, and you just kind of press it on. You might have to moisten it, but for this will work for now. And I found this cute little thing here. You put it on wherever you want. You know, you can just do any number of things with these. And then this, you can just add here for a little sparkle. But I really like to put these pictures on my kitchen during the Christmas holidays. I'll just put them on a wall, have 4 or 5 of them, and put them on a wall, usually same theme. Or I'll make a wreath out of them. I just do a lot of stuff with them. And if you don't like this Christmas tree cling, here's this one. I think it's a little large, but we can try. No, I don't like that. Here's a wreath. They just have so many cute little, let's put that there. We're gonna put this up here, and we'll leave the Christmas tree because I think that adds a little something cute. Okay, that's it. Your bag and picture frame craft. Let me take it up there close to you so you can see it, but let me get this. If you want, you can add this. You don't have to, but it just kind of makes it so cute. Oh, isn't that cute? Who would have known it was just a bag from the Dollar Tree? Thank you.